An Aerospace MRO, maintenance, repair, and overhaul company, asked Reliance to conduct an NDT dye penetrant removal testing to help assess if AeroTron-AV-5408 Boeing approved solvent could completely clean the aircraft parts. Part covered in dye penetrant, only visible with black light. Vapor degreasing with immersion and/or ultrasonics provides comprehensive cleaning fast. The equipment used to clean the parts, a Reliance Ultra 2012 LE vapor degreasing system. Parts immersed in AeroTron-AV-5408 Boeing-approved solvent. Multi-dip into the solvent ensures all dye penetrant is removed. Processing time, 35 seconds. The objective is met. AeroTron-AV-5408 Boeing-approved solvent delivered complete removal of NDT dye penetrant. Our Reliance vapor degreasing experts are here to help. Contact us at 847-640-8923 for a free technical discussion to support your solvent and vapor degreasing needs.